Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm so excited. I'm doing a pour with my niece, Patience. Say hello.
Hello.
AKA Poodles. Today we're gonna do two different pours because I'm running out of white canvases that are small. But she's going to do a flip cup. Her colors that she's going to use, we're going to show everybody like this. 24 karat gold, Decoart's metallic, and Arteza's pearl pistachio green, and then we made a gray from Artist Lofts black and Artist Lofts white. And then we have Artist Lofts black. And then we are using, I don't know where it is, Decoart's metallic emerald. Sometimes you can just show it up there if you want to, but you don't have to. If I have these handy, I just use these because then that way people can see what it is. And then on mine, I'm using 24 karat gold. And I'm going to use Decoart's rose gold. I am using Payne's Gray for my base and Soho's Payne's Gray. I'm going to do a little Shmearing with mine. See what it turns out with. And I'm using Amsterdam titanium white for my smear. We'll see how that goes. But we'll start with Poodles' first. So we're gonna layer your cup. So I'll show you how to do it like one. Here, I put a little white in the bottom.
Oh, gotcha.
So you just tip your cup to the side. And then when you hold it like this, we'll just put a little bit here. Let me go grab the paper. Just hold your cup to the side. Kind of hold it over here so everybody can watch you layer it. And just kind of literally hold it, but you'll have to hold your finger over this.
Okay.
And then just literally lay it there and let it just kind of flow down the side. Because then you see it'll just layer.
Okay.
Okay, and then you can do your next one. And we're just going to go up to this line here because she's using an 11 by 16 inch Artist Lofts canvas.
Like this?
Yep, and then are you going to do it the way your mom did?
Yeah.
Okay, then just hold it over the top, put your hand there, flip it over, and then set it down. Slide your hand out. Let's move. Oops. That's okay. It'll be fine. I'm just moving it over to the side here a little bit.
Okay.
Because when we pull it, you're just going to, let me get a cup here. I'm just going to kind of give you an idea of what you do. So when you have it all like that, when you get ready to, you're just going to go.
So just tilt it to the side?
Yep.
Okay.
And then if you want, you can like take it back through. I mean, it just depends on what you want to do with it, however it looks. If you don't want to do anything but this, that's all you have to do.
Okay.
And don't worry about covering everything. Like just pull it that way and then we'll move it around.
Okay.
So whenever you're ready.
All right, I'm nervous.
Just, let's do it this way.
Oh my gosh. Okay. But why do I love that already?
But you see how we lose very little of the black and then the gray? Like it takes over. So let me get a torch so we can.
It's so pretty.
Torch has got some beautiful cells already. So. It looks really pretty. I like that green. Alright, so mine, I'm going to lay down some of this. See how this is blue right now? It actually is gonna dry like almost black. It's Payne's gray, which it dries really dark. Like almost like a super, super dark gray.
Really? It's beautiful.
Let's see here, I'm trying to think. I'm actually kind of want a little bit of black. Actually, no, I don't. I want a little bit. No, I know what I'm gonna do. Never mind. Sorry. Actually, I do too. I want a little bit of black in here. Just a smidge.
Okay, I see what you did there. You pull it off and go up and around.
Yeah. That way, I don't want to drip more coming back this way, you know?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, you ready for the magic?
Yes.
Hopefully.
It will be.
If I can get this off. Alright everybody, and bring it down for a close-up so you can take a look at this. Gotta take my glasses off so I can see. Look at all that shimmer on those beautiful sails. And that pretty lacing. Oh, look at those pretty sails right there. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. She did a good job for her first one. It looks awesome. Alright, and we'll bring you over to this. I can't wait to see it when it's dry because that Payne's gray will be darker and it won't be blue looking. But that rose gold and the 24 karat gold, they both have so much shimmer, so they're going to be so pretty when they get varnished. I wish my lacing would have been a little bit more whiter, but I still like it. It looks really good. A little bit of swirls. So much shimmer. But I do thank everybody for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed my video with me and my niece Poodles. Patience is her name, but I call her Poodles. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it really was.
Hope everybody is being healthy and safe from COVID and just healthy in general. I appreciate everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed it and you will like, subscribe, and share, all that fun jazz. And have a good day. Have a good evening. I don't know if I can get both of them in there or not. Nope. Keep being creative. Bye.
Bye.